The representatives of the New Democratic Front, the party from which Maithripala Sirisena is contesting for the forthcoming presidential election, charged that the government is not only misusing state property but has also embarked on a campaign of intimidation against opposition factions. They elaborated on this point at a media briefing that was held in Colombo today.
It is very clear now that the law is controlled by the executive according to his own whims. The state institutions in all sectors are being handled towards his victory. We are disappointed to say that even though they say that there are no more bomb blasts and that carcasses are not being burnt on the side of the road and that this country is in a very stable and peaceful place, fear and suspicion has come about in every individual's mind. When we try to open up a campaign office or when we try to organize a rally of Maithripala Sirisena, there is a major state manipulation against individuals and organizations on a scale never seen before. If this continues, hopes of democracy will fade away and insurrections will arise like we had in the past.
We observed, my friends, that 34 acts of violence have taken place in the recent past. Amongst these 34 cases, 10 bombings have been reported. A major campaign to instill fear in the public is taking place. This campaign seems to be organized. We have made observations, especially that the main activists of the United National Party in the rural areas are subjected to this in a bid to bring them down mentally. Hirunika, who received the highest number of votes in the Colombo district, is facing death threats. Our comrade Solanga Arachi, who also received a high number of votes, is also facing death threats. My friends, I too have such threats. It is easy for anyone to bomb us or kill us. We do not have police officers protecting us. We are ready to sacrifice our lives for the victory of Maithripala Sirisena. My friends, when I go home today, my life could end from a bullet or from a bomb. I tell my friends that if I am to die in that manner, do not bury my body. Keep it till the 8th and take it to all the rallies.
මන්ත්‍රීතුමා මේ වෙනකොට තවම TN එක කාටද සහාය දෙන්නේ කියලා කියලා නැහැ. ඔබතුමාලා එතුමාගේ සහාය මේ ලබා ගැනීම සඳහා කටයුතු කරමින් පවතින.
This is not a presidential election that is targeted at resolving problems that are unique to the Tamil people or the Sinhala people. It is not a presidential election targeting the resolution of problems unique to the Muslim community. It is a presidential election that can end the fear, suspicion, thievery and corruption that is common to all people, be they Sinhala, Tamil or Muslim. It is an election that can establish democracy and good governance. The support of all people is needed for this.
We are
in a clear agreement and there are no false promises. We will abolish the powers of the executive presidency and create a democratic environment. We will produce this through the policy statement of Maithripala Sirisena.